Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sheet of Review and Reactions, and today we're going to react on Russian new fighter jet. So this is a Russian fighter jet from Sukhoi company, and this is a new fighter jet, and it is a single engine fighter jet from Sukhoi. So this fighter jet is going to be awesome, I think. So let's see how this fighter jet looks like, this new fighter jet, and let's see how it goes on. Let's watch the video together and react, and you can also leave your opinion in the comment box. So let's play the video.
Forward. We rush forward with our thoughts. For us, everything is possible. The future. The designer creates his masterpiece, builds it combining imagination, science, and technology. Time. The world has changed. It is getting harder and harder to push forward. Every second spent thinking has high price. These games are played like blitz chess. Speed. The boundaries between continents and countries are blurred. The universe is subject to the rules of a position from chess. Good and evil, black and white. To win, you need to move beyond this concept. Make revolutionary solutions that can flip the board. The Sukhoi Design Bureau, together with UAC and Rostec, are about to present the future. Here and now. Pride, intelligence, power, reliability. This is the new 5th generation light tactical fighter. This is the Checkmate.
Whoa, what a presentation, man, of a new plane. We have always seen the presentation of mobiles and other technology, but this is a presentation of planes, man, fighter jets. So let's see the full presentation, man. This is awesome.
Is a project for a unique smart aviation platform.
It is called the Checkmate. Wow, that's great, man.
In real combat. Refined solutions. Cost efficient with high potential for modernization. Checkmate is designed using a supercomputer.
Supercomputer, wow.
Electronic modeling. Digital calculations.
That's great.
Comprehensive virtual testing.
That is amazing.
This aviation platform was created in a record time, and today, Checkmate is ready for flight testing.
Oh, it is going to be a flight test, man.
Checkmate can be deployed on difficult, high mountain airfields, operated in any climatic conditions.
Sukhoi 75.
Architecture, adaptability, and the wide range of additional options make it possible to assemble the aircraft in ideal configuration at optimal price.
What a presentation, man, from a military open company.
Support system. It allows
and this is from Russia, man.
Training, lowers costs, and improves after-sales maintenance efficiency. A predictive analytics system is integrated into the system, allowing forecasting all the necessary procedures required by each aircraft in the fleet.
That's cool, man.
Checkmate is equipped with an auxiliary power unit for autonomously powering its systems.
Whoa.
The airframe design allows for easier maintenance of the aircraft. It requires a minimum number of personnel and no special aerodrome equipment. All this makes it possible to quickly prepare the aircraft for each flight and maintain a high level of combat readiness when flying high-intensity operations. Checkmate is equipped with artificial intelligence. The system independently conducts diagnostics of the aircraft and informs the pilot about readiness for takeoff.
Systems checked.
Smart crew support implemented.
The plane is ready for takeoff.
Okay.
Due to the high thrust-to-weight ratio, outstanding wing elevating features, and reliable thrust-vectored engine, the aircraft has impressive takeoff and landing capabilities.
Okay, that's great.
Reduced takeoff and landing distance.
That's great, man.
Checkmate is capable of maneuvering under up to 8G.
That's
It has
cool.
impressive acceleration capabilities and can maintain continuous supersonic flight.
That's great, man. Supersonic
It can
speed
instantly
from
react
this
to
super.
changing combat situations, move to the operating area in the shortest possible time, and complete its mission.
Whoa.
Checkmate has the best payload capabilities in its class.
Okay.
The longest available patrol time when searching for a target and
That's
waiting
great.
for designation. It has 1.8 Mach maximum speed.
That's
Its
cool.
range without additional fuel tanks is over 2,800 kilometers.
Whoa.
Combat payload amounts to 7,400 kilograms.
That's amazing. You know. I know.
Radar stealth and an advanced multi-band passive detection system allow the plane to monitor the operational and tactical situation and reach the required distance for destroying its target undetected.
Wow. Wow. Cool thing, man, to
Checkmate is
see
equipped
or
with
watch.
state-of-the-art avionics to carry out versatile combat missions.
Wow.
In its basic configuration, its active-phased array radar allows to simultaneously attack up to 6 targets, even under strong electronic interference.
Whoa.
The aircraft can use a full range of weapons and effectively fight against any air, ground, sea targets, and the most advanced air defense systems.
Whoa, man. That's great.
Artificial intelligence acts as a co-pilot and allows the human pilot to concentrate
There is a
on
co-pilot
operating
too?
the weapons.
Artificial
Air-to-air
one?
missile selected.
It is like a Star Trek, Iron Man stuff. AI assistant from Google.
Target
Hey Google.
destroyed.
Whoa.
Checkmate's stealth configuration
Checkmate.
is capable of carrying
Checkmate.
up to 5 air-to-air missiles of various ranges. It can effectively fight for air supremacy against a numerically superior enemy. It can detect and destroy 5th-generation aircraft in both
Whoa.
long and dogfight air combat engagements. Its unique electronic warfare system disarms the enemy.
It deserves the
The
enemy.
internal
What a
weapon
lie.
base of the aviation
What a
platform
lie.
can house guns. They allow eliminating minor ground targets without wasting limited high-precision weapons. Sukhoi's new light tactical plane has unique payload capacity. It has the largest weapons base in its class.
Okay.
This allows the use of all existing means of destruction in stealth mode, both bombs and high-precision missiles. The combination of high combat payload and low flight hour cost makes the aircraft the leader in its class in terms of price and combat effectiveness. is the combat platform of the future. And a manned version of the plane is already being created on the basis of
A man version of the plane, man. What a name, man. What
Checkmate
a
can act as a command
checkmate
post for a group
by
of
Russians.
manned and unmanned aircrafts, united into a single system. Instantly reacts to the changing combat situation, automatically designate and complete tasks of any complexity.
Whoa, that's the great video from
Yesterday was not just another
Russia,
fifth
man.
generation aircraft.
This is the final look of this plane, I think, and this looks cool, and this plane really looks great. I can say that, you can see that, and this is the video, man. This is a great video, that great aircraft from Russia, and it looks certainly great, and its capability are also looking great. And that's it, man. Please subscribe my channel and let me know what you think about this Russian aircraft in the comment box. And this naming was really great, Checkmate. And I can always say Russians are really good at their naming. And they also talking about the AI capability that it can also operate itself. So this is a cool fighter jet that can also controlled by human, also by AI. So that's great. It is going to be really easy to manipulate these things. This is great. This aircraft is great. So now subscribe my channel and share this video, man. And we'll be back soon with a new Russian video or any movie review or any other video. Just go to my channel, subscribe it and share this video, and also watch my other videos from Russia, from another countries, and also from different movie reviews and other reviews, and also our funny videos and meme review, man. Don't miss the meme review, and subscribe my channel, share the video. Thank you for watching. Peace, man. Subscribe now.